The 2014 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as the Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series. And is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, navigation system, heated seats, backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, premium wheels, stability control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.